Outlook 2016 Ctrl-Arrow key navigation not working. I have a problem in the email editor in Outlook 2016. Normally I can use Ctrl-Left arrow and Ctrl-Right arrow to move the cursor in the editor by a word. This works in every text field on my PC, except in Outlook. I'm at a loss to what setting can influence this. In every other Office program, the Ctrl-Left arrow and Ctrl-Right arrow function like they should. It's a Windows 10 PC. Outlook 2016 is of the Office 365 click-to-run variety and up to date.
Apparently this can be fixed in the following way. Close Outlook. Start Outlook in the safe mode. Close Outlook. Start Outlook normally. And it's fixed.
In my case, that was an issue caused by the new Read Aloud functionality, as suggested in this thread on Microsoft's site. You can toggle this feature by clicking on Read Aloud in Review menu. Using the Ctrl+Alt+Space. A control panel shows up or disappears at the top right corner of the edited message. When it disappears, the Ctrl+Left and Ctrl+Right keys work as expected.
It's much simpler than all that. Ctrl+Alt+Space bar toggles the reading stuff. It's all too easy to hit that combination by accident.
Just disable Read Aloud option in Outlook settings.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.